My name is Sam with Brazilian Wood Depot, and I'm really excited to tell you about this new course that I recently published. It's called IPEcertified. It's the first and only certification program or course about IPE and Brazilian hardwoods. I originally made this course and I presented it to hundreds of architects, landscape architects, and designers, but I've modified that course so that it's really beneficial to homeowners, contractors. It's still relevant for architects and designers, but I really wanted to make sure that everybody could use this course and benefit from it. So it's called IPEcertified, but at the start of the course, it goes over an introduction of 7 total Brazilian hardwood species, because much of the course is relevant to all of them, not just IPE. After the introduction to the species, we get into decking. It starts with a fairly long but very interesting story about an early application of IPE in the United States in the Atlantic City Boardwalk. After that, I talk about 1x6 and 5/4x6 decking, common decking profiles. It moves into dimensional lumber like 2x4s and 4x4s. After that, we spend some time on siding and T&G cladding. There are 2 different products that people don't really understand. I don't take a whole lot of time on the siding and T&G cladding, but it's important. And then after that, we get into optimizing the performance of Brazilian hardwoods. It's an extremely important part of the course. It's probably the meat of the course. And really anybody who is going to be dealing with this, whether it's, again, at their house or they want to become more involved in installing it as a contractor, it's an absolutely must-have knowledge. After optimization, we talk a lot about weathering and maintenance. I show you what products to use. There's a lot of multimedia throughout the course, so there's a lot of videos of me using these types of products. After the weathering and maintenance, we go into directly into sustainability. These Brazilian hardwoods are totally misunderstood as it relates to sustainability, and I'm trying to set the record straight on that. The course concludes with 20 questions and a final exam form, and upon passing the final exam, you'll be issued your own certificate of completion. You will be IPE certified, and you really will have more knowledge coming out of it than you had going in, and it can help a lot of people make decisions about what to use, what species to use, given the conditions of their project. So please check out the course, go through it. I really think it's engaging, it's very interactive, and I think you'll enjoy it. So I can't wait for you to take it. Thanks.